Hello everyone, let us solve this equation x to the power 7 plus x to the power 4 plus I into bracket x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation of degree 7, means there must exist 7 roots or 7 solutions of this equation. First of all, write the equation as it is: x to the power 7 plus x to the power 4 plus I times x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solution for this. First take multiplication of I with this bracket. Hence x to the power 7 plus x to the power 4 plus I into x cube plus I is equal to 0. Now collect this term and this term in one bracket and this term in another bracket. Hence x to the power 7 plus I into x cube in one bracket and taking plus 1 common from this and this term into bracket x to the power 4 plus I is equal to 0. From these two terms we have to take x cube common. Hence x cube into divide x to the power 7 by x cube, that gives x to the power 4 plus divide I into x cube by x cube, that gives I plus this 1 into x to the power 4 plus I is equal to 0. Now we can take this bracket common from this term and this term. Hence we can write x to the power 4 plus I in another bracket x cube plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Now we know a into b is equal to 0. This implies a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or both a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. We have to take this in consideration. Hence using this we can write x to the power 4 plus I is equal to 0 and x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Now case number 1, let us solve x to the power 4 plus I is equal to 0. X to the power 4 plus I is equal to 0. Shift this plus I on right hand side. Hence x to the power 4 is equal to minus I. Since we know general exponential form of 1 is given by e to the power I 2k pi. For minus 1, e to the power I 2k plus 1 times pi. For I, e to the power I 4k plus 1 times pi upon 2. And for minus I, general exponential form is given by e to the power I 4k minus 1 times pi upon 2. Either this or e to the power minus I 4k plus 1 times pi upon 2. Hence this can be written as x to the power 4 is equal to, either you can take this one or this one, e to the power I 4k minus 1 times pi upon 2. Taking fourth roots on both sides, hence x is equal to e to the power I 4k minus 1 times pi upon 2 and its fourth root, that is 1 upon 4. Fourth root of x raised to 4 is x. But we know since a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Power of power means multiplication of power. Here also we can apply this formula. Hence, x is equal to e to the power I 4k minus 1 times pi upon 2 into its power is 1 upon 4. This is equal to e to the power I 4k minus 1 into pi upon 2 into 1 upon 4, that is pi upon 8. Here we have taken fourth root. So n is 4, n is 4, and substituting k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. This 3 is nothing but n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Put k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 in this and get the 4 values of x. Hence, for k is equal to 0. From here, x1 is equal to e to the power I. K is equal to 0. Put here e to the power I 4 into 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into pi upon 8. E to the power I into minus of pi upon 8. And here also minus I pi upon 8. Hence x1 is equal to e to the power minus I pi upon 8. This is first root of given equation. Now if we substitute k is equal to 1 here, for k is equal to 1, this gives x2 is equal to e to the power I. K is 1, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 times pi upon 8, 3 times pi upon 8. Hence, second root, that is x2 is equal to e to the power I 3 pi upon 8. Substitute k is equal to 2. Hence, for k is equal to 2, this gives x3, which is equal to e to the power I. K is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 times pi upon 8. Hence, x3 is equal to e to the power I 7 times pi upon 8. This is third root. For k is equal to 3, this gives x4, which is equal to e to the power I. K is 3, put here. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 times pi upon 8. 11 times pi upon 8. Hence, x4 is e to the power I 11 times pi upon 8. Now let us solve second equation, that is x cube plus 1 is equal to 0, considering case number 2. Hence, case 2, x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Now shift this plus 1 on right hand side. Hence, x cube is equal to minus 1. But we know minus 1 is equal to e to the power I into bracket 2k plus 1 times pi. This is general exponential form of minus 1. Hence, we can write x cube is equal to minus 1, we are replacing by this e to the power I 2k plus 1 times pi, taking cube root on both sides. Hence, x cube to the power 1 upon 3 is equal to e to the power I 2k plus 1 times pi to the power 1 upon 3. Left hand side becomes this 3 cancels with this 3. Then equation can be written as x is equal to e to the power I 2k plus 1 times pi upon 3, taking multiplication of powers. In case number 1, we have obtained 4 roots of given equation. and remaining 3 roots we have to find out by solving this cubic equation. So n is equal to 3 and here k takes values starting from 0, 1, 2. Substitute k is equal to 0, that gives fifth root of given equation. Substituting k is equal to 1 in this, that gives sixth root of given equation, and substituting k is equal to 2 here, that gives seventh root of given equation. In this way, to get remaining 3 roots, put k is equal to 0 in this equation. Hence, x5, fifth root of given equation, that is first root of this equation, and which is given by e to the power I 2 into k is 0 plus 1 times pi upon 3, and this is equal to e to the power I 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 into pi upon 3, that is pi upon 3. Hence x5 is equal to e to the power I pi upon 3. Now substitute k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. This gives sixth root of given equation, that is nothing but second root of this equation, and which is given by e to the power I 2 into 1 plus 1 into pi upon 3, and this is equal to e to the power I 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3 times pi upon 3. Here this 3 cancels with this 3, hence x6 is equal to e to the power I into pi. Hence x6 is equal to e to the power I pi. Let us substitute k is equal to 2. Hence x7 is equal to e to the power I 2 into 2 plus 1 times pi upon 3. This is equal to e to the power I 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5 times pi upon 3. Hence x7 is equal to e to the power I 5 times pi upon 3. Hence there exist total 7 roots or 7 values of x which satisfies given equation, that are x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and last value is x7. These are known as roots of given equation, 7 roots of given equation, or 7 solutions of given equation, and this is answer, hence the solution. Thank you all, thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.